Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today we're comparing Brevo and System.io, two platforms that really help you grow online, but in totally different ways. One is focused on email, automation, and multi channel marketing. The other packs funnels, courses, automation, and email into one simple dashboard. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly which one fits your business. But before we start, if you want to try Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 90 days using the link we put down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course where I will walk you through the entire platform step by step. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right in. So first, let's get a quick intro into both tools. Brevo is a full marketing suite built for communication. You can send email campaigns, SMS messages, WhatsApp broadcast, push notifications, and even chat with customers in real time. It's known for being affordable, easy to use, and great for businesses that want strong deliverability and multiple channels in one place. System.io takes a different approach. So it's really more of an all in one business builder that you can build sales funnels, create websites, host online courses, automate your workflow, run affiliate programs, and also send emails. So even though both platforms offer email marketing, they're built for completely different goals. Let's talk about features. Brevo stands out when it comes to communication tools, as you can imagine. You get a drag and drop email builder, advanced segmentation, multi channel automation, an AI content generator, landing pages, and simple CRM style contact management. It also supports SMS and WhatsApp, which is big if you want to reach customers instantly. System.io focuses more on the full business setup. You can build funnels, create upsells, host videos and courses, manage memberships, run evergreen webinars, and automate your entire business from one place. It even includes affiliate program management, which is perfect for creators and coaches selling digital products. Now, if you want a marketing tool, Brevo is stronger. If you want a business operating system, System.io really leans in that direction. Let's look at user experience. Brevo has a clean and polished interface. Creating campaigns, checking analytics, and building automation flows feels smooth and beginner friendly. Now, System.io is very simple too, but it keeps things extremely basic so you can work fast without getting lost in features. It is not the most stylish platform, I'll be honest, but it is easy to understand right away. If you want a more refined marketing experience, Brevo feels better. If you want something minimal and straightforward, System.io is the simpler option. Let's talk about integrations. Brevo is designed to work well with other tools. It integrates with WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, Zapier, Stripe, PrestaShop, and a large list of business apps. System.io goes in the opposite direction. It offers fewer integrations because the whole idea is to keep everything inside of one ecosystem. If you already have a tech stack and want your tools to connect easily, Brevo will probably fit better. If you want an all-in-one platform with almost no external tools needed, System.io is built exactly for that purpose. Whew, let's talk about pricing. Brevo has the starter plan at $9 a month. Standard is $18 a month, and the professional plan is $499 per month. And then there's enterprise with custom pricing. System.io offers a free plan at yes, $0. The starter plan, or the startup plan rather, is $17 per month, and the webinar plan is $47 per month. There's an unlimited plan at $97 per month as well. So which one should you choose? If you want a strong communication platform with email, SMS, WhatsApp, and automation tools all in one place, Brevo is the better pick. It is perfect for service-based businesses, e-commerce brands, and anyone who relies on multi-channel marketing. But if you're a creator, coach, or entrepreneur who wants to build funnels, host courses, manage affiliates, and run your entire business from a single dashboard, System.io offers incredible value without needing any extra tools. And if you want to get started with Brevo, don't forget, use the link below. You get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months and access to my full Brevo course. All right, that's it for this video. If you found this comparison helpful at all, please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.